Hello students, this is our video 3 on chapter 6 lines and angles. Today we will cover exercise 6.1. So let's move on our questions of exercise 6.1. Our first question is AB and CD are two intersecting lines. AB and CD are two intersecting lines intersect at point O and OE is a ray. OE is ray such that angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. एंगल BOD इक्वल टू 40 डिग्री यहाँ मेंशन कर देता हूँ मैं. एंगल BOD 40 डिग्री है. एंगल AOC प्लस एंगल BOE, AOC और BOE का सम 70 डिग्री है. AOC प्लस एंगल BOE इन दोनों का सम हमें कितना गिवन है? 70 डिग्री. टू फाइंड हमें फाइंड करना है एंगल BOE निकालना है हमको. वी हैव टू फाइंड एंगल BOE. रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE. COE का रिफ्लेक्स एंगल ये पूरा होगा. रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE का रिफ्लेक्स एंगल निकालना है. ये हमारा पूरा का पूरा रिफ्लेक्स एंगल होगा. यहां तक ये पूरा एंगल हमारा रिफ्लेक्स एंगल होगा. लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन. Angle AOC and angle BOD. AB and CD are intersecting lines. So angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. Both are equal. In theorem 1 we have studied about this. Angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are equal. AOC is equal to angle BOD. So this angle is also 40 degree. ये हमने 40 डिग्री मेंशन कर दिया यहाँ पर. नाउ एंगल AOC प्लस एंगल BOE इक्वल टू 70 डिग्री. ये हमको गिवन है था. नाउ एंगल AOC इज 40 डिग्री. सो एंगल BOE इज इक्वल टू 70 माइनस 40 दैट इज इक्वल टू 30 degree. So here angle BOE is 30 degree. ये भी हमने मेंशन कर दिया यहां पर. Now angle AOC plus angle BOC. Here AB is a straight line and OC is ray. So angle AOC and angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Linear pair angle. Angles on straight line. Now BOC can be written as COE plus angle BOE. BOC can be written as angle COE plus angle BOE. BOE is equal to 180 degree. Now 40 degree. AOC की जगह 40 degree. COE same as angle BOE. We have find 30 degree. 180 minus 30 minus 40 that is equal to 110 degree. So angle COE is 110 degree. COE is 110 degree. We have mentioned here 110 degree. Now we have to find the reflex angle of COE. Reflex angle of COE is 360. This is our complete angle. And we have to find this angle only. Reflex angle of COE. So we will minus 110 degree out of 360 degree. So reflex angle of COE is equal to 360 minus 110. That is equal to 250 degree. So reflex angle of COE is 360 minus 110 is 250 degree. This is our question number 1. Now you can do yourself. In question number 2, XY is a straight line and MN is intersecting it at point O. In this figure we have given POM is denoted by angle A, MOX denoted by B. Ratio of A and B is 2:3. Also angle POY is 90 degree. it is given in the statement angle POY is 90 degree, A ratio B is 2 ratio 3, and this is angle XOY is C. We have to find angle C. In this question we have to find angle C. Now ratio of A and B is 2 ratio 3. So let us suppose A is equal to 2x, B is equal to 3x. Now angle A plus angle B plus 90 degree, XY is straight line, and angle on straight lines, sum of angles on straight line is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. 180 minus 90, 90. So A plus B is 90, and angle A is equal to 2x and angle B is equal to 3x. 2x plus 3x, 5x is equal to 90 degree. Here 5x is equal to 90 degree. 5x is 90, then x is equal to 90 by 5, that is equal to 18 degree. X is equal to 18. Now B is equal to 3x. B is equal to 3x. Sorry. B is equal to 3x. X is equal to 18. So 3 into 18 is 54 degree. B is equal to 54 degree. You can see the figure. B plus C is a linear pair angle. B plus C is a linear pair angle. MON is straight line and OX is ray. So B plus C is linear pair angle. So B plus C is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. B is 54 plus C is equal to 180. So C is equal to 180 minus 54, that is equal to 126 degree. Angle C is equal to 126 degree. Let's move on to question number 3. Given in this figure PQR, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ, and ST is a line, QP and RP are rays. We have given already angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. To prove angle PQS is equal to angle PRT, we have to prove angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. See the proof. Angle PQR and angle PQS is equal to 180 degree by linear pair angle property. This is a straight line, ST is straight line and QP is ray. So angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, PRQ, angle PRQ and angle PRT, PRQ and angle PRT are linear pair angle. So sum of these two is also 180 degree. This is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Comparing 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, right hand sides 180 degree. So left hand sides are also equal. So angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRT plus angle PRQ. Now PQR is equal to angle PRQ, given PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So PRQ is cancelled with angle PQR. PQR and PRQ cancel out. So our result is angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. We have to prove this one. So our result is proved. Let's move on to example number 4. In this question, figure is given to us, and in this figure angle BOC is equal to X, angle BOD equal to W, angle COA equal to Y, and angle AOD equal to angle Z. AB is straight line. OC and OD are rays. Sorry. We have to prove AB is a straight line, and given x plus y equal to W plus Z. We have given x plus y equal to W plus Z, and we have to prove AB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. Now let's see the solution. X plus y is equal to Z plus W. X plus y plus Z plus W is 360 degree. This is our complete angle. X plus y plus Z plus W is 360 degree. X plus y plus W plus Z equal to 360 degree. Now x plus y equal to W plus Z. So here x plus y can be written as W plus Z. W plus Z. W plus Z. W plus Z plus W plus Z is equal to twice of W plus Z equal to 360 degree. So W plus Z is equal to 180 degree. Now see here in this figure, W plus Z is 180 degree. W plus Z is 180 degree. OD is ray. OD is ray. Sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. Then AOB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. See again, W plus Z is 180 degree and OD is ray. OD is ray. Angle BOD and angle DOA. Sum of these two angles is 180 degree and OD is ray. OD क्या है? रे है. कॉमन आर्म एंड नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स ये हो गई OB एंड OA. और एडजेसेंट एंगल का सम कितना हो गया? 180 डिग्री हो गया. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि जो नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स हैं वो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बनाएंगे. हमने एक्सियोम का कन्वर्स पढ़ा था. तो OD रे है और एडजेसेंट एंगल का सम कितना हो गया? 180 डिग्री हो गया. तो AOB क्या हो जाएगी? हमारी स्ट्रेट लाइन हो जाएगी. दिस इज अवर स्ट्रेट लाइन. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. In this question, POQ is a straight line and OR is perpendicular to POQ. Sorry, yes, OR is perpendicular to PQ. Given OR perpendicular to line PQ, to prove, we have to prove angle ROS. Angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. See, angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. टू प्रूव, let's see the proof of this question. Angle ROQ plus angle POR is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair angle because PQ is straight line. By linear pair, angle POR plus angle ROQ equal to 180 degree. Now ROQ is 90 degree. So angle POR, this whole angle is also 90 degree. Angle POR is 90 degree. Now POR can be written as POS plus angle SOR. POS plus angle SOR. This can be written as POR is equal to POS plus angle SOR. 90 degree. Now angle POS is equal to 90 minus एंगल ROS. ROS को इस साइड ले गए हम, तो एंगल POS की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? 90 माइनस एंगल ROS. दिस इज अवर इक्वेशन नंबर 1. नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर finding the value of POS, then we are finding the value of QS, then we subtract them, so we got angle we will got angle QOS minus angle POS. We have the value of POS is 90 minus angle ROS. Now we have to find the value of angle QOS. Let's see angle QOS. QOS can be written as QOR plus ROS. QOS is equal to QOR plus angle ROS. Now QOS is equal to angle QOR. QOR is equal to 90 degree. 90 degree plus angle ROS. Now QOS is equal to 90 plus ROF. This is our equation number 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. 2 minus 1. So we will get angle QOS minus angle POS. QOS minus angle POS is equal to 90 minus 90, cancel out, angle ROS minus minus plus ROS. When we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, then we will get QOS minus POS, 90 minus 90, cancel out, ROS minus minus plus ROS. ROS plus ROS, twice of ROS. So twice of ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Then angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. This is our result. Angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Let's move on to our question number 6. Given angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. In this figure, XP is a straight line. YZ and YQ are two rays such that angle XYZ equal to 64 degree. Ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. That is, this angle equal to this angle. Let us suppose this angle is 1, ZYQ is angle 1 and angle QYP is angle 2. So angle 1 equal to angle 2. This is our given situation, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Now we have to find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. QYP का रिफ्लेक्स एंगल निकालना है और एंगल XYQ निकालना है. XYQ. Now let's move to solution of this question. See, XYZ plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. This is our straight line. So angle XYZ plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Angles on straight line. इन तीनों का सम 180 डिग्री होगा. XYZ की जगह हमने 64 लिख दिया. एंगल 1 को हमने एंगल 2 लिख दिया क्योंकि एंगल 1 इक्वल टू क्या था हमारा, एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस 64 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 2 ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल 2 and 180 minus 64 is equal to 116. So angle 2 is equal to 116 divided by 2, that is equal to 58 degree. तो एंगल 2 हमारा कितना आ गया, 58 डिग्री आ गया. एंगल 2, दिस इज अवर एंगल 2. QYP is angle QYP is equal to 58 degree. Now we have to find the reflex angle QYP. For reflex angle QYP, 360 minus angle QYP, that is 58 degree. So 360 minus 58 will be 302. So reflex of angle QYP is 302 degree. Now we have to find angle XYQ, that is 64 plus 1, angle 1. 64 plus angle 1. Angle 2 is 58 degree. Angle 2 is 58 degree. And angle 2 is equal to angle 1. So XYQ is equal to 64 plus 1, 64 plus 1, 1 is 58, so 64 plus 58 is equal to 122 degree. So angle XYQ is 122 degree. These are our questions of exercise 6.1. In next video, we will start our basic terms about corresponding angles, co-interior angles, alternate interior angles, corresponding angles and parallel lines in next video, video 4. Thank you.